So for this tutorial we are going to make a crochet circle just like this. I am using a double knit yarn in beige color and I am going to use a 4 mm hook. Okay, and let's get started. So to start, I am going to make a slip knot. Now this is my way of making a slip knot. Just like this, wrap the yarn around your hook, give it a twist and pull the yarn through this loop and you have your loop here. Now after making a loop, I am going to make 4 chains, 1, 2, 3 and 4. After this, I am going to make a circle by joining this part with this chain like this. Make a slip stitch here. For slip stitch you need to just pull the yarn through both loops and now you have this small circle. Now I am going to work in this circle. Okay, so here I am going to use a double crochet method. For double crochet, first we will make 3 chains. This will be counted as our first double crochet. Now wrap the yarn around the hook, insert the hook into this round hole, not in the chains, in this hole that we just made. Okay, and pull the yarn like this. Now you have 3 loops. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops and pull the yarn through the rest 2 loops. This is our second double crochet. Now for the circle I am making a total of 12 double crochet. So I made 2 double crochets and now I am going to make 10 more. And 12. Now to finish this row I am going to make a slip stitch into this third chain. We made 3 chains in the beginning, remember? So 1, 2 and 3. I am going to insert my hook, grab the yarn from behind and pull it through this loop as well to make a slip stitch. So now as you can see, this part is done. Now we made 12 in our first round. Okay, so now we have to increase each row by 12 more. So row number 2 will be started like before. Make 3 chains first, 1, 2 and 3, and now into this same stitch I am going to make a double crochet. So 2 double crochet in each stitch around, so 12 will become 24. We will increase this row by 12 double crochet. So 1 and second one into the same one. Now go ahead and make your 24 double crochet, 2 crochet into each 2 double crochet into each stitch. Okay, again I am going to make a slip stitch into the third stitch over here to finish this row. So now we have completed this part. Now in the third row we are going to increase after every stitches. Okay, so now I am going to make chain 3 as my first double crochet and now I am going to make a double crochet into this same stitch. So this is my 2 double crochet. Now I am going to make 1 double crochet into the following stitch and now I am going to make 2 double crochet into this next stitch. So in first row we made 12, in second row we made 24 double crochets and in third row our row count should be 36 double crochet. We will increase after each stitch. So 2 double crochet into this stitch and 1 double crochet into the following stitch. Again make a slip stitch into this third stitch like this. Now we have completed our row 3. Now for row 4. For each row you need to start with making a three chains and then make a double crochet into this same stitch. You will always start with making a two double crochet into this same stitch, and you will always end with a single crochet one double crochet into this last stitch. Okay, so each round you will increase 12 only. So for this round I am going to increase after every 2 stitches. So one double crochet, then second double crochet into the following stitch, and now I will make 2 double crochet into this next stitch. So 1 and 2. Okay. And as usual we will make a slip stitch to finish this row into this third chain like this. And now you can see our crochet circle is complete. You can make it as big as you want. Just make sure to increase only 12 in each row. For example, we made 12 in the first round, then in the second round we increased in each step, so 12 become 24. In the third round we increase after every stitch, so 2 1 2 1 2 1 like this, and only 12 increases in the third stitch, so this become 36. Okay, now this is 48 because we increased after every second stitch, so 2 1 1 2 1 1. So you can make increases after every third stitch and fourth stitch and fifth stitch, so it will become bigger. Right now it is a size of a tea coaster. You can use it as a tea coaster. Okay, and if you like this tutorial, please like, share and subscribe.